Receiving your salary via MarCoPay. Seafarers can now receive their salaries in US dollar or Philippine peso upon submission of the allotment authorization form for eMoney through the MarCoPay app. Once you have eMoney in your MarCoPay wallet, you can use it anytime to send money to your family, even while you're at sea. To receive your salary as eMoney in your MarCoPay wallet, here's what you need to do. Step 1. Access the eMoney Allotment Authorization form. Launch the MarCoPay app on your smartphone and log in to your account. On the upper left corner, click the 3 lines or the hamburger icon. Under your account details, select Print eMoney Allotment. The eMoney Allotment Authorization form helps ensure that the salary you will receive is correct, and it means that you agree to receive your salary in the form of eMoney. Step 2. Answer the eMoney Allotment Authorization form. Enter the required details, then click Proceed. You will then see an authorization letter. Review all the details on the authorization page. Your digital signature will automatically be displayed. Please ask your fleet manager about the suggested amount for eMoney allocation. Step 3. Click Send to Email or Convert to PDF. You will receive the signed eMoney Allotment Authorization form in your registered email address. Step 4. Submit the form to your fleet manager. Once your fleet manager has received your eMoney Allotment Authorization form, this will be submitted to the finance department as the basis for your next allotment. Now, you can get your salary as eMoney via the MarCoPay app. You can keep your eMoney safe and secure in your MarCoPay wallet, or instantly send eMoney to your family anytime, anywhere. Remember to fill out the eMoney Allotment Authorization form each time you join a new vessel or renew your contract. Want to know more? Contact us. info@marcopayinc.com 028537 0888 8th floor 3 Neo Building 3rd Avenue, corner 30th Street, Bonifacio Global City, Taguig, Philippines.